Many of the NFT projects that were released in 2021 will most likely turn out to be bad investments for those who purchase them. The demand for NFT tokens has outnumbered the supply. Newcomers are increasingly entering into the NFT space, and the majority of these people are adopting a gold rush mentality. There are just too many people putting out mediocre projects with no concept or good design. Because of this, it is becoming increasingly difficult to choose an NFT project to invest in. Hello and welcome to Flores Online. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some upcoming NFT projects with huge potential. Before we begin, do keep in mind that none of the information in this video should be interpreted as financial advice. Before investing in anything that you see here, conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor. The first NFT project we are going to look at is Tripster. Tripsters are a collection of 10,000 psychedelic mushrooms and toads chilling on the Ethereum blockchain. Tripsters is shaking up the NFT market by releasing the first collection that combines two NFTs to create a third unique token, completely redefining the game. The new shamans of the NFT universe are these 9,000 psychedelic mushrooms and 1,000 toads. Each Tripster includes one-of-a-kind goodies, such as baggies, that can trip your compatible NFT, resulting in a brand new trippy version of your NFT. The Bored Ape Yacht Club will be the first collection with which Tripsters will be compatible. As part of their roadmap, they will offer more compatible collections in the future. They joined Twitter in January, and they now have over 71.7 thousand followers. They have collaborations and giveaways with so many other NFT projects, like Bored Apes, Karafuru NFTs, Shinsekai, Apians, and so on. They have really cool videos and picture NFTs on their Twitter. You can check it out. Now let's head into their website. You can see the description, and beneath that you can see some of the NFTs. This project will have a total of 10,000 NFTs. You can also read through the trip. Bored Ape owners will be able to use their psychedelic NFT to send their apes deep into psychedelic space, creating a completely new trippy ape. They can do this by entering the Tripster's Trip generator room, where the baggie will be burned when the ape trips. The original ape stays unchanged, and they can get a new trippy version of their ape, and it's a totally new token too. You can read through this whole thing on the website, and there's also a sneak peek of their roadmap. From the Tripster's Genesis Mint, to the Basie airdrop, to the Bayes Mushroom airdrop, and so on. Now for the team. The team consists of 7 people. Easy E, J Dubs, 5Mio DMT, Trippy C, Codez, Mama K, and $0. There's no set price for the NFTs yet, but you can go through the other FAQs too. Now their Discord server is invite only, and they have limited access, so get in on this project as soon as possible. The next NFT project that I'll be sharing is Shinsekai. Shinsekai NFT project was launched on Twitter in February, and they already have more than 116.9 thousand followers. Now that's impressive. Now, this is one for all the anime lovers. Manga and anime have always been important communities of the entertainment industry. Shinsekai was founded by a group of manga fans with the goal of bringing these two communities into what they've called the Mangaverse, and advancing manga to its final stage of development. Kashama has built an NFT collection of 10,000 distinct 3D characters based on Fukiyoshi, their manga series. Although not every NFT character will appear in the manga, every manga character will be represented in the manga. They seek to empower their community members by allowing them to be represented in the Shinsekai Mangaverse by their favorite characters. They also have a collaboration with Tripsters and PXN. Now, let's go into their website. Let's enter their Discord community. As you can see, this is one very active Discord community. There are different kins: human, shins, vampires, demons, and so on. You will be assigned a kin after you've answered a series of questions. Their roadmap is also available on the Discord server. You can join their Discord server and go through it. They stated that they will publish a manga book, construct a manga verse, launch a clothing line, and subsequently develop more Shinsekai Corp-related products. The entire collection is housed on the Ethereum blockchain. Joining Shinsekai means being a member of the world's largest manga and anime family on the web 3.0. Many sneak peeks of how these 3D unique characters will look with various traits, such as hair, skin, and accessories, can be found on Discord. However, Shinsekai has yet to develop a rarity chart, and it is a little unclear whether one will be developed in the future. To learn more about this upcoming collection, you can always join the Shinsekai Discord server or follow them on Twitter. It's best to pay attention to the announcements and keep track of the team's progress as the project progresses. It should be easy to determine whether or not to become a holder of the Shinsekai NFT collectibles if you have enough knowledge on the mint prices, dates, and roadmap. The last NFT we are going to be looking at today is the Possessed NFT. As you can see, this is the Twitter page of the Possessed NFT. They just joined Twitter in January and they already have over 87,000 followers. Also, they do not have a Discord channel yet, but they should have one soon, so stay tuned to their Twitter page for updates on that. This collection was created by Tom at TMW_builds, the developer and co-creator, and Joe at What the Fur, artist and co-creator. Now, let's take a look at Tom's Twitter page. Tom is an entrepreneur and a developer, and he previously worked on the Hubble Marketplace. According to his Twitter bio, Joe is a designer, illustrator, and Web3 junkie. Now, let's go over to the NFT website. You can immediately see these amazing GIFs. The artwork looks very good and mature, and it transforms from normal mode to the zombie-looking possessed mode. It is definitely very cool to look at. You can also see by the left an innovative new NFT developed by PSSSD Labs to enhance your creativity. Outbreak starts in Q2 2022. Again, you can find the founders here. Under Joe's name, you can see leading creative experiments in the lab, working away in a dark room to bring to life new ideas and identify the growing number of possessed traits. Let's click on Read More about Joe and see what's there. On this page, Joe goes on to write about what led him to building a successful design studio and some details on the origin of the possessed. He talks about his inspiration, the two kinds, subconscious and conscious. He talks about how various TV and game characters like Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, Super Mario Bros., Space Jam, and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles actually helped him in his art. He also says that he decided not to go to the university at age 18, but instead pursue something creative. It's an interesting read. You can go through it on your own. Now let's look at Tom. As you can see, he studied computer science, and for the last 7 years, he was the co-founder and CTO of a startup called Hubble. During his time there, they won Deloitte's 26th fastest growing technology company in the UK, Property Week's Innovator of the Year, and Best Places to Work, 2 years in a row. He was also part of Forbes 30 Under 30 list. They raised over $10 million, and he was responsible for everything from building the initial platform to growing the team to 50 people while managing and leading the engineering, product, and design side of the business. Now, that's an impressive CV. Overall, the NFTs themselves look great, and the transformation from normal mode to possessed mode was definitely well executed. It is important to note that this information should not be taken as financial advice. Be sure to do your own research before investing in any of these projects, and most importantly, get in early. Tell me which of these projects you will be jumping on in the comment section below. And that's it for today. If you want to be kept up to date on various NFT news and analysis, then click on the notification bell to be alerted when I will release my next video. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and see you in the next one.